Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Binance not available in your region. As you might be facing that issue while downloading or on App Store or Play Store, so I'll tell you how you can solve this. So if you're on iPhone, simply go to App Store and click on your profile icon, and from here just click on your profile, and once you go into your profile it will ask you to log in, so simply log in, and from here just click on country and region. Click on this option, and once you click on this option it will take you to this page. Just click on change country or region and just check whatever your region is and change your region to, let's say, like United States or like England or Canada or Australia. Just choose any country, just like I have chosen the United States. Just click on the country, save the changes, click on agree and save this. And once you save this, just close your app store and again search here Binance. Once you restart your app store, you will be searching Binance and you will be able to see the Binance app here. So while talking about Android, you can just download the app from Google and install it in your phone, and you will not be facing this issue. So that is the simple process of how to fix Binance not available in your region.